We turned up in the party going crazy. Turning up in the party going crazy. We turned up in the party going crazy. Got all my niggas feeling kinda hazy.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a purse collection part 2. I already did the first part of my purse collection, but I'm just going to be showing y'all the purses that I've added on since then. But you can also check out the first part of my purse collection. It's my entire collection on my channel, and that's where you'll see like basically all my purses. These are just basically like my recent pickups in my purses. But yeah, I have that in the link in the description below, so you can go check that out. But yeah, let's get into it. This is the first purse we're going to start with right here. This is the PlayStation controller purse. This is my favorite purse. That's why I wanted to start with this one. This purse is from the Purse Vault. They sent me this. This purse is available on their website for $45. So I recommend y'all going to cop this because this purse is bomb. Out of all the purses I have, I would have to say this one is my favorite. Just with like the details, you can see the glitter. Yes. And then the gold chain to go with it. Like, yeah, this purse is bomb. I would totally recommend getting this purse. I did take Instagram photos with this purse. I attached the photos over here, and I also put the link in the description below to go purchase this purse if you want to purchase it. Yes, they have other colors available. Here's their website. Let's see if it's focused. Yeah, that's what the website look like. This purse is called the Eyeliner Crossbody. So if you're looking like, if you know, you're gonna search it up or whatever, but it comes in sky blue, black, and pink. They currently are out of stock on sky blue and pink, but they still have black available. But I will still head over to their site and purchase this soon because a lot of their purses sell out. So if you still want to get this in black, you know, black go with everything. I'm a fan of black. See, I got black on right now. But yeah, it matches with everything. But yeah, I would totally suggest this purse. But yeah, I love this purse. This would have to be my favorite purse. Yeah. This is a telephone purse. I bought this purse recently off of Amazon, and this purse was $30. Yeah, I would totally suggest if you're going to buy like a telephone purse to purchase your purse from Amazon, because Dolls Kill and Akira, yeah, I would suggest buying it from Dolls Kill before Akira, because it's like, I think this purse, they have it in pink on Akira for $70, but you could get it at Amazon for $30. So I would suggest going to Amazon, getting it for $30, and you can get it in 2 days, which is what I did. They have a lot of different colors. I currently only have pink. Well, my pink telephone purse is from Dolls Kill, but this one, I got this one from Amazon for $30. They have orange, red, white, blue, black. They have basically all the colors, and it's $30. And you can actually plug this up to your telephone, and just like if you want to call with somebody, you can plug this up to your iPhone or anything, and then yeah, you could talk from here. It has like the volume buttons and all that. In call, you can raise the volume. But this is a telephone purse that actually works. Yes, I really like this. I needed a black purse to go with my outfit on Instagram, so I was like, why not get this? Because I was doing the Clueless vibe, so I was like, okay, she had a telephone, so I'm like, okay, I need a telephone purse. So yeah, this is what I came across, and I paid $30 for this on Amazon. And yeah, I did take Instagram pictures, and then the other side of the screen. Yeah, this right here is a to-go container. I bought this maybe a couple months ago, and I never used it. I actually bought this to go with these shoes right here, my phones, that I never worn. I have a whole outfit for this, and I never wore an outfit. But yeah, this is the to-go container box purse. This purse was $40. I got this purse from Akira. They also have this purse on Amazon for I think like $23, but it comes with like a different chain. It doesn't come with this chain. It's like more of a, it's a gold chain. But yeah, I got mine from Akira. And you see, you can open it like this. See, I still have the plastic in here. It's just like bubble wrap. But yeah, I like this purse also. It's very like small and compact. This is from Akira and it was $40. Yeah, this is another purse I bought. This is from Bloomingdale's. As y'all all should know, I had another purse exactly like this. It was small brown bag from Bloomingdale's, the same exact color. This purse was $39 from Bloomingdale's. My last Bloomingdale's purse I bought, I got it shipped to me, but this one, I needed it like for outfit that I didn't even like. I got the outfit and the outfit was wrong color, so I had to like redo the whole outfit. So I just basically rushed getting this for no reason when I could have ordered it. I went to Bloomingdale's in San Francisco and I picked this up. Yeah, went all the way to San Francisco to pick this up to get this purse. But yeah, this is from Bloomingdale's. They have different colors. They have clear, pink, and I think they have like another brown purse. Like it's brown, but it got like little purses, like the logo. But yeah, just check out their website. Y'all can see like all the different types of purses they have. And I believe they have 2 different types of medium brown bags. I think this is the one I went with because it has like a, I like the little zipper. And you see, I never used this either because it still got the tissue paper in it. But yeah, this is from Bloomingdale's. I haven't took pictures in this yet, used it or anything. But yeah, pictures will be coming soon with this. Next we have is an eyeliner crossbody bag. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was a pencil when I first bought this. I was like, okay, come on, pencil. But as I see, like, eyeliner. This is an eyeliner bag. I got this from Dolls Kills. I got this for $16, baby. Let me tell you, because when they was having a sale, like, I need to get me some purses. I need to get me some purses. I haven't got any purses like in a long time, so I was like, let me get this. This was originally for $35 and I got this for $16, so I'm like, yeah, big come up. But that's the inside of the purse. Here's the chain to the purse. But yeah, it's just, you can attach the chain here at the top of it. But it's just the eyeliner purse. It's really cool. Like, I like how it opens. And as I stated, it's black, so it matches with almost anything. Well, really anything, because it's black. So yeah, so I'll highly recommend this purse. If you know, you can wear it with a lot of different outfits without like the colors conflicting, I guess. But yeah, this is from Dolls Kill and I got this for $16. I'm pretty sure the sale is still going on today. I think it ends tonight. So if you want to get this for $16, go get it before it go back up to $35. But yeah, next we have is a Coca-Cola purse. Y'all know Coca-Cola is my favorite drink, so I was like, okay, Percival already has sent me the Coca-Cola purse in black and silver. I took pictures in that one. I showed y'all that purse in my previous purse video. But since then, I've gotten the Coca-Cola purse. And I tell y'all, this purse is bomb. Like, I'm in love with the bright red color. Everything. And here's the top of it. Like, the details on this purse is amazing. And here's the chain in here. And even the inside, like the details on the inside is bomb. I haven't used this purse yet. I need to come up with an outfit with it ASAP, because I'm telling y'all, this purse is fire. And here's the chain. I love the chain. Yeah, I keep my chains, try to keep most of my chains off my purses when I'm not using it, because I put my purses in a bin and I don't want them to get scratched up. So I'm like, okay, if I put the chain on the inside of the purse, they can all stay safe, because we want to keep the purses safe. But yeah, this is from the Purse Ball, and this purse was $40. Yeah, the link will be down below, so y'all could go cop that. But yeah, I recommend copping this soon, because they purses sell out and y'all better get them while y'all can. So yeah, the next purse is this jean purse. I got this purse from Dolls Kill for $40, and this purse was not on sale when I bought it, but now I think it's on sale for like half the price due to the Labor Day sale. So if I was y'all, I'll go get this for half the price. Yeah, don't be like me and pay full price for it, but full price was $40. I don't think that is bad at all, because just the details. I love this purse. And I just got this in maybe a couple days ago. That's why the plastic is still on it, because I haven't used this purse yet either. I'm really eager to use it. But look at it. It still has like the tissue paper and everything in it, but that's how the purse opens from the top. I like the little belt buckle on the purse, just like the little details. Yeah, the little pockets, and you can even put stuff inside of the pockets. Like, these are actual pockets we're talking about here. Yes, this is cool. But yeah, this purse was from Dolls Kill, and I got this purse for $40. Next purse we got is the Betsey Johnson disinfecting wipes purse. This purse was $88. I got this purse from Dolls Kill. I do believe you can go to her site, betseyjohnson.com, I believe, and it's on there also. This is currently sold out on Dolls Kills, but yeah, I got this for $88. I seen this purse as soon as they put it on there, and I was like, okay, I gotta get it. I need this purse. So I was like, yeah, this is definitely something different. Yeah, people tend to really like this purse, but yeah, I like it too. It's pretty cool. It looks like the actual container of like the Clorox infecting wipes, and I did take pictures with this purse. I use this purse for my color changing Air Force Ones. I kind of had like a hard time like on deciding like which color purse to use, because the shoes changed colors and the outfit was already tie-dye. So I'm like, how can I pull this together? And I seen this and I was like, I'm gonna use this purse. I'm gonna use this purse, even if like though it was no red in the outfit. I was like, I can get away with it. Yeah, but yeah, I was able to like to bypass a little red, even though there was no red in my actual outfit or my shoes. But yeah, this is the Betsey Johnson Clorox wipe purse. And check out Betsey Johnson's site, because she has more like purse like of this nature on there. So yeah, I would totally recommend. And even like the little zipper, I don't know if it's gonna focus. It says Betsey Johnson. It's just the little details for me. But yeah, I really like this purse. And yeah, I keep the, well, it's sold out, but if it's available on her site, I will put the link to her site below. But I got mine from Dolls Kill. This is my last and final purse out of my most recent purchases of purses. And this is the wrench purse that everybody's been asking about. I made this purse. This is literally a wrench bottle. As you can see, it's wrench in here. I went to my local grocery store. I went to Rayleigh's, and I was trying to get like the biggest bottle of wrench I can possibly find, and I was able to find this one. I think this wrench bottle cost me about maybe, I want to say $8. It wasn't too expensive, but yeah, it was totally worth it. I just bedazzled it and put on like rhinestones on it. Oh, and I took a handle from my other purse, and you can see like it's lopsided, but I took a handle from my other purse and I just hot glue gunned it on there, and I'm like, I hope it stays, because this bottle of wrench, it doesn't look like it, but this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. So that glue gun worked, because I was afraid that it would snap, but I tried to secure it on here, even the top and all that, even the back. I didn't have any like rhinestones this size to bedazzle this part, so I just did the outline of it. But yeah, this took like a couple days to make. I'm not gonna lie, I was tired making this purse. This purse took a while to make, because just of all the little, like, I had to single-handedly like glue every little rhinestone. Can y'all just imagine how long that took? And I did take photos with this, and my caption was, call me wrench because I be dressing. Yeah, the caption was just fitting with this purse. I was like, I gotta use that caption. So I was like, okay, I have been planning to do this purse for a while. I was just too lazy like to actually make the purse. So yeah, this was like, I thought of this purse months ago, and I finally was just like, I'm gonna do that next, because I was like, I had my clear Crocs that had just came in the mail that I was waiting, because they sold out and I was able to get them. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make the ranch purse. But yeah, the bottle of ranch was $8, and I had to use about maybe 10 packs of the flat back rhinestones from Michael's. I don't know how much that was. I'm sorry, I made this purse a while ago. I made this purse a while ago before I actually used it, so I don't really remember. But it's the flat back rhinestones from Michael's, so I don't know how much they are. But I will try to find a link to the rhinestones and put them below. But yeah, this is the ranch purse that I'm sure everybody has been waiting on and been asking about. Where did you get it? Where did you get it? I made it. It's an actual bottle of ranch that has rhinestones on it, that I put rhinestones on it and put a purse handle and held it like it's a purse. But yeah, and just to wrap it up, thank y'all for watching this video. If you like this video, I'll do a part 3. I do have more purses coming, so I can do a part 3 to this video. I already did a part 1. As I previously stated, you can go check that out. And also, yeah, just like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let me know which purse is your favorite. Comment below and let me know which purse is your favorite. Thank y'all for watching. We out. Oh wait, I should have did it with the ranch. Thank y'all for watching. We out.